I'm going to use a screwdriver to take off this fresh air assembly. Also need a 10mm wrench on this bolt right here. Actually, it's a socket. Okay, I got that off, put the bolt right back there for safekeeping, and then had to undo this vacuum hose. That little blue one right there. Little push button release. Now there is also a second bracket here, but mine did not have a bolt down there, so it wasn't really attached. Okay, then I'm going to move these vacuum lines out of the way. So disconnect this one first. Came out a moment ago. There we go. And this one second. Squeeze, pull, and this whole little assembly here is connected down there. I'm just moving it out of the way. There we go. Now it's out of my way. Then I got 6 T30 bolts that I need to remove. 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove those for this beauty cover. Okay, after undoing those, just kind of pull that off this way, move that off to the side. Okay, then I'm going to remove this air feed right here using the 8mm bolts. One there and one right down there. So I had to use a short one on this side because it was limited on space. But when you pull this up, you pull this part up and then you twist it because it's got a little locking mechanism on it. Yeah. It actually comes off 2 ways. There's that way, and then this also twists and locks. I don't know if this will cause a problem later, but I put the screws back into the holes right there for safekeeping. All right, then I just wiggle and pulled this little 90-degree that went into the airbox. And there's the oil filter housing. Okay, it was actually easy once I did it, but this is a little push lock. You can see that releases right there. It just unplugs. Super simple. Now we're going to use the T25 to do 2 bolts, one on top and I believe one on the bottom. All right, it wasn't too hard. That little rubber seal just needed to separate there. I got it all dirty though. Like last time I put these bolts back in too. Okay, so I unbolted the mass airflow using the T25 bits. Next I have to remove the computer cover. Okay, to do that you just reach there, pull it, comes right off. And I needed access to these little red things right there. Now before I do that, I need to remove the battery cover here. Come on. So that I can remove the negative terminal. Oh boy. Am I gonna have to redo this? Oh, I might have to move this bar. Yeah, mine wasn't working, so I need to use a 13mm here and gotta take this bar off of here. No, I didn't remove it, I just loosened it up so that this could be. There we go. Now I gotta remove this negative terminal. I can tell it's the negative because it connects right there. All right, so for the 10mm, I just use a 10mm. Just move that out of the way. Put it right down there for now. Okay, so the next step is to remove the ECM by pulling these clamps down, I guess. Oh, it says press. So push down there. I might need 2 hands for that. Yeah, I needed 2 hands for the first one, but the second one came off. Okay, so push this down all the way. And I'll wiggle it off. Comes off right there. And do the same thing on the bottom. That way. And shake, wiggle it out. So next going to use the T30 here. Take off 4 bolts. Actually just going to begin with the first one, leave it loosely here, and then do the other 3 first, and then come back and do that one last. Okay, I removed all those bolts, and then this piece just comes right out. Next step is going to be to remove this, but that's the end of this video for tonight.